This is Alex climbing his first tree.
I'm feeling his stick. And that's a little scary.
What?
Oh yeah, I want to tell you.
What?
I was born to do it. For climbing.
Born for climbing?
I was born for climbing.
Yeah.
My sister loves ground.
Uh-huh.
Me.
Yeah?
Because I just want to stay away from ground. And I do not like water because it gets me all wet. And I get that weird dog smell when they get wet. Daddy!
Okay, don't kick her in the head.
And let me see. And entered
Okay, now.
me. Show